Magandang hapon, Leia. Ano ang ibinigay na mabigat na dahilan ni DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla na posibleng nagawa ni General Torre kaya ito inalis sa pwesto?
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Jun. Walang nilabag na batas, walang kasong administratibo, wala ding kasong kriminal. Itong si dating PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III. Yan ang nilinaw nitong si DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla kung kaya't natanggal sa pwesto itong si General Torre. Ikinagulat ng marami ang tila biglaang pagkakaalis sa pwesto ni Philippine National Police Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III. Agad namang kinumpirma ni Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla na epektibo pa kahapon August 25 ang relief order. Walang ibinigay na dahilan si Secretary Remulla liban sa pagsasabing nasa kapangyarihan ng Pangulo kung magdesisyon man itong alisin o palitan sa pwesto ang Chief PNP.
He has not been charged with any administrative case. He has not been charged with any criminal case. But he is a presidential appointee who serves at the pleasure of the President, and the President has made the decision to go in another direction.
Ayon kay Secretary Remulla, bagamat mahirap para sa Pangulo ang naging desisyon, kailangan aniyang alisin si General Torre sa pwesto para magtuloy-tuloy ang programang nais ng Pangulo. Nais umano ng Pangulo na matiyak na iisang direksyon lang ang national security apparatus ng pamahalaan. Dapat din aniyang magandang relasyon ng National Police Commission o NAPOLCOM at ng Philippine National Police at dapat ay nasusunod ang batas.
Precisely because we are a country of laws and not of men, that the institutions must be larger than the people who run it. And in this case, the President saw it necessary that the institution of the PNP and the NAPOLCOM be upheld as according to the spirit of the law as it was created.
Itinanggi rin ni Remulla na politika o mayroon silang hindi pagkakaunawaan ni General Torre kaya't natanggal ang general sa pwesto.
No, never. PNP Chief and I have always had a great relationship. We've never had disagreements, and save for the last few days about certain things. And until now, I still consider him not only as a colleague, but someone who I've gone to battle with and who I trusted big decisions of the President with.
Ilang oras matapos ang announcement ng pagkakaalis kay General Torre, isinagawa na rin ang Assumption of Office Ceremony kasunod ng pagtatalaga kay Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. bilang officer in charge ng PNP. Si Lieutenant General Nartates sinabing itutuloy ang 5-minute response na programa ni General Torre laban sa krimen.
We should respond to any distress call or call for help from our community. Yan naman ay part ng ating managing police operations. Ating dati lampat-sipat yan eh. And then managing police operations and enhance natin. It is about patrolling and investigation. Proactive and reactive. Ngayon, about the response is nandito na tayo sa proactive pa lang.
Tiniyak din ni Lieutenant General Nartates na idadaan niya sa tamang proseso kung magpapatupad siya ng reshuffle sa mga opisyal ng PNP.
About the reshuffle, about placement, we will go with the normal procedure. May process yan no? Especially when our former Chief PNP ay nagbigay ng order, of course may procedure yon. And then kung merong changes, sabi ko kanina, officers come and go, we always serve at the trust and confidence of the appointing authority.
Samantala, kinumpirma din ni Secretary Remulla na ipupwesto ng Pangulo si General Torre sa ibang posisyon sa gobyerno dahil naniniwala ang Pangulo sa kapabilidad ng general.
We will have to wait for the President to make the announcement. I'm not at liberty to... I actually don't know for a fact of what will be offered to him, but it has been brought about during our conversation that he is thinking of offering a position to the former Chief PNP.
August 14, inilabas ng NAPOLCOM ang Memorandum 2025-0531 kung saan inaatasan ng NAPOLCOM si General Torre na ibalik sa pwesto ang dalawa sa mataas na opisyal na isinama sa reshuffle kabilang si Lieutenant General Nartates. Subalit hanggang kahapon ay walang inilalabas na bagong order ang PNP na tumatalima sa kautusan ng NAPOLCOM. June, si General Nartates ay mula sa PMA Tanglaudiwa Class of 1992. Sila yung last batch ng PMA na nandito sa Philippine National Police. At manunungkulan itong si General Nartates hanggang sa March 2027. June.
Maraming salamat, Leia Ilagan.